Welcome back. We both truly hope this finds you all well. Although we've just about managed to bring content to the channel over this lockdown period, like many, we were desperate to unshackle the COVID chains and get back out on the road. This is a small adventure. This is Wales.
And your beautiful life.
Well, a good afternoon from a sunny
Wales.
We drove all the way from Suffolk in a one this morning. It's taken about 5 hours. Well, I say in a one, we did stop for a bite to eat, and a cup of tea, and a bite to eat. But here we are, we're in Wales.
Hello.
Good afternoon, folks. That ended up being quite a long day in the end. We've ended up at this little location here. It's a little bit windy, but the sun's out, and we can't ask for more than that in glorious mid-Wales. The scenery around here is absolutely fantastic. There's some great photography locations. The dam that you saw, very, very short amount of footage earlier. There's loads of photographers down there, hence the reason we didn't stay. But yeah, I'm sure on the right conditions, or in the right conditions, that dam would be also lovely to take a photo of. But Claire's playing her part. Oh no, she's not.
Oh yes, I am.
What are you up to?
Making a cup of tea.
Oh, the wind deflector's up because there's a little bit of a breeze here. Obviously it's going to drop down to about -2 tonight, so it's going to be cold. So although we're in the shade right now, the sunrise is just there. So we've positioned Freddie for a morning breakfast in the sun, hopefully. So we're definitely not moving from here tonight. We're going to stay put. This area is absolutely beautiful and completely unspoiled. There's no rubbish and very little sign of camping. It's how every place should be, and I hope it stays the same. So this is the first time since starting the channel that we have debated sharing our location with you. However, when we started the channel, we hoped that by sharing our locations, it would encourage you to get out and about and see things for yourself. And you know what? Maybe you'd even take a camera and take a picture or two. and if you come, we truly hope you experience the same tranquil and respected landscape as we have. Dinner is served. Yum, 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 yum. God, it's amazing. Instant heat.
Great big teddy bear.
So Stephen from Vanlife TV, how you doing, pal? If you don't know Stephen or you don't know his channel, go and check it out. It's Vanlife TV. I'll leave a link in the description below. Stephen is going full-time van life. He's just about to start. He's just retired. His channel's up and running, so go and check him out, folks. He's a real pleasant guy, and he's a brummie. So yeah, real entertaining. And every time he does a little video, you never know what you're going to get. So it's like Sunday night at the Palladium sometimes with Stephen.
You might get a song.
You might get a song.
Or you might get a quiz.
Yeah, absolutely. What Stephen did to us the other week on his channel was he got us to answer 10 questions. So
Tony and Claire, how you doing, me brother from another mother?
thing that's going around the van life, camper vanning, caravanning community at the minute. So he's asked us to answer 10 questions, and we'll take this opportunity while we're out and about in Wales to do that. We'll both answer the questions, and I don't know. Here we go. Question number 1 is what is your favourite music playlist? Oh, straight to Claire for that one.
For me, it's got to be something cheesy, something I can sing along to, usually out of tune.
It's like a scene out of Close Encounters of the Third Kind. It definitely is now.
Anything as long as it's cheesy and I can sing out of tune. It's got to be a sing-along song.
Yeah, for me, I'm a bit more predictable, I suppose. What am I? So I used to play in a band, and I love rock. So my favourite playlist at the moment is Rock Gods on Spotify. It's my own one, but it's all late 80s, early 90s rock music. Okay, there you go. And yours, 80s cheesy?
80s cheesy.
Yeah, absolutely. Right, the next thing is, what's the best thing that you take on holiday with you?
For me, it's got to be some comfy clothes.
Okay.
It's got to be something like this. I know I look a bit like a oversized teddy bear today, but it can get chilly. Despite the sun, we are in Britain, and it does get a bit chilly at times. And just something you can get into, feel cozy and warm, and just chill out in.
Absolutely.
You've seen the onesie.
Yeah. So the best thing I like taking on holiday is Claire.
Oh, and really?
The best thing I like taking on holiday is my cameras. No, I like having a camera at hand, and I know Claire does as well. But yeah, I think it helps drag us out of our bed sometimes and gets us out and about and walking and hiking and things like that. So yeah, what I take on holiday that I like is my camera.
And his wife. And the other one.
Anybody else suffer from the old ankle socks blues at all? Because every time this one comes for a walk, she goes, oh, that's one ankle sock off. Oh, that's the other one off.
It's those socks.
What do you mean those socks? They're plimsolls. Plimsolls.
Plimsoll socks, not ankle socks.
Oh, plimsoll socks.
They fall off the heel.
Invisible socks. Yeah, they do fall off the heel. So we just had you'd have seen us eating our hot dogs, or Claire hot dog. We've had a nice packet of crisps, and now we're going to go and burn some calories by going for a little walk to the end of this lovely lake here. It's a gorgeous evening. The sun's gone behind the hills and the mountains there, but yeah, hopefully we'll have a nice peaceful night's sleep. We've left.
Freddie looks good in the background.
Yeah, we left the heater on.
Yeah, it's a bit chilly now.
Yeah, it's getting colder. So
It's going down to minus tonight.
yeah, -2, -3 they reckon. So we've just got a cheap Chinese diesel heater in the van, and if you do have one, make sure you keep it quite accessible, because they do require a little bit of maintenance if you want to keep them top shape and producing as much heat as possible, because they can get sooted up quite easily. So all you have to do is take the top circuit board off the top of the heater, break the chamber open, give it a good clean out, and Bob's your uncle. There you go. So we're just going to go and have a look at the dam, which is down the end here.
So I think we've got the best spot here. However, there's two other parking places as you're coming into this area. One just at the bottom of the hill, and the one where we parked up to start with. So, and at the end of the lane we've got this sort of area, which is really a turning circle, but you could park up for the night here. It is on a slight incline. However, just here you got some tracks. Now there's a farmer's gate further down that way, but it does look like the farmer could get on there even with another van on there as well, or some tents or whatever you want.
So there you go. If you come down to this place, you've seen the locations on what 3 words. I'll put them up there for you, and if you just follow it down to the end where the dam is, and then there's a possibility of probably getting another few camper vans here as well. So let's go and have a check this dam out. And if you look carefully in the distance, you'll be able to see Freddie. No swimming.
Yeah. It doesn't say no entry, it just says danger.
Yeah, swimming. Danger. What, voltage?
Oh, man. You stepped over that gingerly.
Left some hair behind Claire.
Down.
So not the biggest of dams, but still something you don't see every day. We certainly don't. Yeah, a lovely peaceful reservoir, and the wind's dropping now, along with the temperature. So it's been a real long drive today, and we stopped off at a few places, but nothing too interesting. We just needed to get here really. So the adventure really starts tomorrow. So until tomorrow, good night.
Good night.